Hi, Miss Michelle Montilla. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Michelle G. Montilla. I'm from Romblon Province. I am 38 years old. I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one kid, age 7 years old,
How many siblings do you have?
4 siblings, and I'm the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience abroad in Kuwait from 2019 to 2024. And I also work here in the Philippines from 2006 to 2007, also a housemaid.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a trustworthy, hardworking, and helpful person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to support my family needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
long patient for this kind of children.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a trustworthy and hardworking person. Thank you.